When you're tired and have no idea what to have for dinner, make this. Just potatoes and minced meat in one pan, and the family is full for an hour. I cut the potatoes into small cubes so that they are baked quickly and get a nice golden crust. I will season the potatoes. I add oil, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, granulated garlic, red sweet ground pepper, spread the potatoes on the baking sheet so that there is room to bake. I put the potatoes in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius to bake for 25 minutes. While the potatoes are baking, I will chop the onion and garlic. I pour oil into the pan and wait for it to heat up. I put the onion and garlic on the heated oil. I add 500 grams of minced meat. I fry the meat until done. I add salt, pepper, ground red pepper, tomato paste. When the meat gets this color, you know it's going to be good. There is the taste. Look at this color, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. We don't complicate anything, just combine potatoes, meat, and mix. I sprinkle hard cheese, and there is no mistake. I will cover for 1 minute so that the hard cheese melts. This is the dinner when you are tired and you want the family to be full. One pan, a few ingredients, and no fuss. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.
I'll show you how to make a quick meat and potatoes lunch in the air fryer. Cut 700 grams of meat into smaller pieces. If you want to watch the video and listen to my original voice, select Serbian audio in the audio settings. I will cut up 5 large potatoes. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching. It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I will season the potatoes. I'll add a teaspoon of salt, pepper to taste, and olive oil. I'll mix it all up. I bake potatoes at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I will season the meat. I'll add half a teaspoon of salt. Pepper to taste. I will add dry organic seasoning. How I made it, I will leave you a link in the description of the video. Red sweet ground peppers and olive oil. I'll mix it all up. I add meat to the potatoes. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I'll stir. I return the meat and potatoes to the air fryer. I bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. The meat and potatoes prepared in this way is extremely tasty and quick to prepare. It is easy to prepare. And look how it looks. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, friends. If the pork ribs are dry when you roast them, then you are making a mistake. I will prepare a kilogram of pork ribs. I remove the membrane so that the spices can penetrate the meat. I will mix the salt, pepper, granulated garlic, ground pepper. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I add oil and rub it into the meat. I put aluminum foil on the oven tray and put baking paper on it. The foil retains the steam, which is why the ribs soften. I take it to the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius to bake for 2 hours. If you cook uncovered, the ribs will dry out. After 2 hours of baking, we will open. This is done towards the end of baking. I will use the fat from the pork ribs for the marinade. I will add garlic, pepper, if the ribs are dry, it's not the meat but the process. We return the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, another 15 minutes to bake. The pork ribs should look like this. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like.